The one thing about the power of attorney, it ends upon a person's death. An executor's role doesn't begin until a person's death. So those two kind of butt up to one another. You have the power of attorney up to the point of death, and then you have the executor after that. And a lot of times we like those people to be the same, so you don't have a lot of disjointedness right here when that transition occurs. The thing about a trustee is you can have a trustee all the way through, even prior to death and on after. You don't have this sort of separation between the two. And that's the reason why trusts are very important, because they continue the continuity of what was done while the person was alive as well as after they're deceased, and you're not having to change guards anywhere along the way. And so, from that standpoint, a trustee's role is before, during, and after a person's death. Power of attorney is while they're alive, and executor is when they pass. And even though the roles might be similar as far as what you're doing for that person, it's not as disjointed in a trust, and also it's private. So the trustee stands in a fiduciary role to, they have a duty of loyalty to the beneficiaries. They can't be impartial between them. And their job is to do what's in the best interest of those folks in context of the written agreement, which is the instructions for the trustee. And that's kind of a long answer.